Today we're working on bird of paradise. To start, we're going to step 1 foot forward, fold over, twist the torso away from the front leg, bend the front leg, thread your arm underneath, rotate the shoulder forward, reach up and over with your opposite hand, step your back leg forward, shift your hips back, lift your foot off of the floor as you straighten the standing leg. Engage your core, then straighten your leg. When you're ready, bend your leg, release your hand, place your foot down. Let's try the other side. Step your foot forward, fold over, twist your torso away from your thigh, bend the front and back leg, thread your arm underneath, rotate the shoulder forward, reach up and over, clasp your hand, step your back foot forward as you send your hips back, lift your foot as you straighten your standing leg. You might wobble a little, it's okay. And when you're ready, you're gonna straighten that leg. And bend the leg, release your hands, place your foot down. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Bird of Paradise. If you need stretches to prep for this particular pose, check out my talenthack.com on-demand classroom. I will put the link in the description.